How to change Netflix plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change Netflix plan, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to change Netflix plan, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up your browser and go to netflix.com. Just keep in mind that Netflix plan cannot be changed using the app. So whether you're using iPhone or Android or computer, you have to open your browser, which is netflix.com. Now after you log into netflix.com with the account on which you want to change the plan, you can tap the three lines option located at the top left of the screen. Then here you'll find the option called account. So make sure to just go to the account option here. And once you go to this account option, you should be able to see all these sorts of details, or if you just scroll, here you'll find the option that says plan details, and here you'll find the option called change plan. So depending upon which plan you want to change, tap the change plan option. You can choose to upgrade or downgrade depending on what you want, and then just tap the continue option. And remember that let's say no matter whichever plan you choose, the changes will take instantly right away now when you open the Netflix tab, and you'll start getting charged with the new price depending upon the plan. This way you can change Netflix plan. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.